Well, if everyone's asking Watcher to help cook, maybe I can lend a hoof. Let me just check my inventory. Got some berries? Yes, I got some Giganimix. This will definitely come in handy. Now, let's see. Wait, that's all my berries? Where'd all my inventory go? Uh-oh. I think when Galim forced me to fuse with her, my inventory must have gotten burnt up in the transformation. I only got enough ingredients for 1 serving of curry. For everyone.
Maybe we can help make some treats for the others.
Rainbow ice cream shake, or snow cones, or an ice cream cake. How about a hot fudge triple decker with 6 different kinds of ice cream? Or, I know, we should make a banana split. What do you think, Triple Treat? How about a super duper extra special sundae? We can make it very, very, very tall. Maybe even make it sky high.
I forgot how fun this was. But will it be enough?
No problem.
You don't have to tell me what you're gonna do, Pinky. I already know what you're gonna do. Thank you. You're the best.
What can I say? I'm good at what I do.
I think we know how we can help. Really, Steven? Let's do it, Pearl. Right behind you, Steven.
Rainbow is back!
Now, Kelio, why are you laughing? Are you that excited to see us? Sorry. I feel so happy that everyone is getting along. That all my friends are working together. It just makes me so happy. Whoops, my bad. This usually does not happen. Hang on a sec. Did he mean to do that? That shouldn't have happened. Why did it feel as strong as it did? What is even happening?
And off we go!
Hey, Garnet. KB. Yo. Please stand guard. If Merle tries anything, don't be afraid to give him these hands, okay? Trust me, he gets anywhere near you guys, I'll rip out his skull and I'll beat him to death with it. That doesn't seem physically possible.
That's exactly what Jimmy kept screaming. This doesn't seem physically possible!
Okay then. Anyway, gotta go help the others. Be back in a bit.
Hey, KB, how do you plan on beating Merle to death with his own skull?
Don't ask. I said that because he's been more of a thorn in our side than any of the other villains. Come on. Let's keep an eye on them.
Yeah, okay.
Right. Let's go.